Hi there, it's Nicole Hall with the airport. Have you ever come to the airport and needed to park for a short amount of time? With construction underway on our new Terminal 1, parking is limited. But we do have short-term parking. Come with me, I'll show you where to go. Here in the surface parking lot next to the Terminal 2 parking plaza, there are 50 short-term parking spaces that are just a quick walk to the terminals.
The entrance is through the Terminal 2 parking plaza gate. The cost for short-term parking is $2.50 per half hour. The short-term parking spots are an easy option for people meeting their arriving party inside the terminals, or travelers who need assistance getting to their gate, including the elderly, disabled, and unaccompanied minors. For wheelchair service, contact your airlines.
When you park, notice the 3-hour parking limit signs. Cars parked longer could be cited and towed. For more information on parking at the airport and off-site parking, visit our website. That's it for now, and we wish you safe travels, and I'll see you around the airport.